Hi everyone, I am Rupkazi Gurung. This is my educational video presentation. It is created for my Provincial Instructor Diploma Program PIDP 3240. The purpose of this presentation is to know about the parallel lines and their properties, and I hope you will enjoy watching this presentation. So learning objective of this video, my educational video, is to know about the parallels and the properties of and their properties. uh, the term required to understand the properties of parallels are types of lines. We should know how many types of lines there are. So many types of lines. The second one is transversal, and third one is a pair of angles. There are so many lines, but here in this video I'm going to explain only about the four lines. uh, There are horizontal line, vertical line, perpendicular line, and parallel lines. So what is horizontal line? It's simple. A line that runs from left to right in a straight line is called horizontal line. So in this figure, the CD is the horizontal line. So moving from left, or runs from left to right. The second one is vertical line. So there's a blue one. A line that runs from top to bottom or bottom to top in a straight line is called vertical line. So third one is perpendicular. When two straight lines intersect each other at right angle, means that is 90 degree, then these two lines are said to be perpendicular to each other, and they are represented by AB perpendicular CD. The last one, the parallel lines. So we can see here two lines, AB and CD. When two lines never meet each other, no matter how much they extend them, we extend them, how much we extend them, no matter, then these two lines are said to be parallel to each other, and they are represented by or represented as AB parallel to CD. This is the sign of parallel line. So another one, let's talk about the transversal. So transversal is also a kind of line, but a little bit different. So what's actually the transversal? A transversal is a line that crosses at least two lines. So here we can see this one, first one, second one, and third one. So all are red. The first one is crossing the two lines. Second one is also the crossing two lines, and third one is crossing the three lines. So these all red lines are called transversal because this is crossing more than two, at least two lines. That's why this is a transversal. And here another figures, let's see in the another figures. Here the two parallel lines L and M, and one is the transversal represented by the G. So this G is cutting, or we can say crossing in the two, crossing to the two lines L and M, and making the different angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one is making 8 angles, and they each have the different, it has a different name. To understand clearly about the properties of properties of parallel lines, we should have some knowledge about the pair of angles. So here we are discussing about I'm going to explain about some pair of lines such as corresponding angles, alternative intermediate angles, consecutive intermediate angle. So let's talk about the corresponding angles. Two angles in the same position with respect to the transversal, but on the different line. So here we can see angle A and angle F, angle D and angle H, angle A and angle E, angle C and angle G are the corresponding angles. These are called corresponding angles. The second one, alternative interior angle. Two angles on the interior but on the opposite side of the transversal. So you can see that the 3 and 6, they are inside, or they are inside between the two parallel lines, but they are in the opposite side. So angle 3 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5 are the pair of alternative interior angles. They are called the pair of alternative interior angles. So third one is consecutive interior angles. two angles on the interior and on the same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal, we can see at the same color. The 3 and 6, 4 and 5, they have the same color. So angle 4 and angle 5, angle 3 and angle 6 are the consecutive interior angles, or we can say pair of the consecutive interior angle. So let's come to the point. This is the properties of parallel lines. So this two LO lines, when we can say these two are the parallel lines. So there are three conditions. So condition 1, 2 and 3. So first one is, if two lines are caught by the transversal, if these two lines are caught by the transversal, then the corresponding angle should be equal or should be congruent. So that's the first property of parallel line. So angle B should be equal to angle F, angle D should be equal to angle H, angle A should be equal to angle E, and angle C should be equal to angle angle G. Then we can say these two lines are parallel. Let's talk about the second property. If two parallel lines caught by transversal, if two parallel lines caught by the transversal, then alternative interior angle, there are D and E, C and F. Angle D must be equal to angle F, angle C must be equal to angle F. Then we can say these two lines are parallel. So this is the second property. And let's talk about the third property. The third property is, if two parallel lines are caught by transversal, let's see, two parallel lines caught by transversal, then sum of consecutive interior angle D and F, C and F, sorry, C and E, these two are the sum of these two are the consecutive interior angle, and their sum should be 180 degree or supplementary. Though we know the meaning of supplementary is if the angle of the two, sum of the angle of two angles, if sum of the angle of two angles, and then that is called 180, then that is called supplementary. So angle F plus angle D should be equal to 180, and angle C plus angle E should be equal to the 180. So if so, then these two lines are said to be the parallel line. So here are the some references, and I hope you enjoyed this video presentation. Thank you very much.